Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to change your email on your Microsoft account swiftly and easily. First, ensure you have access to your current email and password. You'll need both for this process. Next, head to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Let's get started. Log in using your existing email and password. Don't worry, it's secure. Once logged in, navigate to your info section to manage your settings. Now, select Manage how you sign into Microsoft. Let's move on to changing your email. Here, click on Add Email to create a new email address linked to your account. Enter your new email and select Next. Confirm this operation with the verification code. After confirming your new email, it'll be added to your account. Don't forget to set it as primary. Finally, log out and log in again using your new email to ensure everything is updated. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your email. Enjoy your Microsoft account. Stay tuned for more tips to make the most of your digital experience.